She replied, you got that baby girl, you trippin'. You got that let me get my grippin'. I only got the tippin'. You already trippin', baby. Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Today we're going to be talking about a product that all of my girls need to go and get. I'm going to give you the pros and I'm going to give you the cons. You can like it, you can love it, you can hate it. Give me your comments in the comment box down below. So today I'm going to be talking about a product that was sent to me by a company called HighOn. It is a reusable, washable pad. You see that? It's a pad. This product, again, it's a pad. It feels like it could be a super, honestly. It's really, really thick. This part is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about anything leaking through, getting on your underwear. It does have wings, ladies. I love my wings. I will not wear a pad if it does not have a wing. I don't wear many pads, but when I do, it has to have wings because they slip. And if you got on thin underwear or slim underwear or your underwear going your butt, whatever happens, that pad without them wings are going to move with it. So you need to have some type of support. So I do like the wings. This is a pro for me. It is also a pro that this is a waterproof pad. It's also a pro because this color here is a dark fabric. So even if it gets stained, it will not show, you know, the stains that will, I guess. But anyway, what I would suggest is that when you get this product, if you choose to purchase, again, it's reusable, you can wash it. I was not sent that many. I think I probably had about 5 or 6 pads that was sent to me. So, you know, this is not going to do much for me, but it did help. So, for example, when I am on my monthly flow, I bleed very, very heavily. So when I have my tampon in, which I do wear tampons, when I have my tampon in, I will also wear a pad because the tampon does not do it for me. I mean, I can wear a super and I still come through. So I need a pad on and a tampon. I will insert my tampon like I normally do, and I will put my pad on top of it, especially for like the first 3 or 4 days. I'm really heavy. So I would wear a pad. I did wear a pad my last period, and it helped. I had to wash it. So whenever you get done with it, of course, you put the pad on your underwear. This part here is going to be actually on the underwear. You would then take the wings, depending on how thick your underwear is or how the seat of the underwear are. You would either put it on the first clip or you would put it on the second clip, and it will stay. So you see, it will stay on the underwear. When you take it off, you will roll the pad like this, so that it is not, the blood or the soiled area is not exposed. You will take the wings, you would fold the wings, and you can button them so that it is completely closed. You see that? So you don't have to worry about anything coming out. This pad also came with a soil bag. You can wash the pads in here. You can just keep them as a storage. You put the pad in the bag like so. You would zip it. You can put it back in your purse if you want to carry it with you. You can't smell anything through here. I mean, I hope your pad don't smell, but you can't smell anything, so you don't have to worry about anybody knowing what happened. You can just put it in your bag and go about your merry little way. And then when you get home or whatever, you can put it in the sink. I would suggest to soak this pre-wash before you put it in the washing machine. You do not want to put blood in the washing machine with other clothes or just by itself anyway. Even if I just wash these by themselves, which I don't have a problem doing, it is not resourceful, so I don't do that. But if I had to wash these by themselves, I would pre-wash them first. I would use gentle soap, whatever kind of detergent you use, you can use it. I would not use fabric softener on this, like the liquid fabric softener, because it may affect the fabric, so I wouldn't do that. That's pretty much everything about this pad. The pros, again, is waterproof. You can wash it. It's reusable, so you don't have to go to the store all these times throughout the month and buy pads. Again, I bleed heavy, so I have to have tampons and pads or multiple pads. 6 pads is not going to do it for me unless I buy another set. But if you want to, you surely can. The cons for this is it is a little messy when you have to wash the pad. That's one thing that I'm not a huge fan of. But again, if you're rewashing or reusing, you go ahead and you do what you have to do. If the blood get on your underwear and you have to wash your underwear, it's pretty much the same process. It's just more blood on this than in your underwear. Just being real. The other con is that these pads are not that soft, and I don't consider them to be extremely flexible or as flexible as I would like my pads to be. They're soft, but they're also pretty thick. So if you don't have on super tight underwear, or if you don't wear undergarments to hold your pad in place, which I have done both, if you don't wear undergarment to keep your pad in place, this pad, it will kind of move. And then the front part, to me, like I had on a dress one day and I wore the pad and nobody could see it, but when I ran my hand on the front of my girl, I could feel the pad there. Like I could feel the pad. I didn't like that. So it's just this corner. I guess I could say it's the stitching, but it's just where the stitching is that I didn't like. And you can feel it. I also don't like to feel my pads. So when I'm on my period throughout the month, I would wear ultra thin pads because they're thin and they're not heavy. You really can't feel them. And I do get, if I wear panty liners like towards the end of my period, I get the flexi panty liners. So they move with my underwear, they move with my body. And they're very thin on the outside. So I feel like if this pad, like it's thicker in the middle than it is on the edges. But if it was thinner, at all, any thinner on the edges, I would probably like this a little bit more. Will I use it again? Yes. Will I recommend it? Yes, to people who actually want to do the work. You know what I'm saying? And if you're trying to be resourceful, again, you can go ahead and you can buy the product. But you can't get it on Amazon, so you get it in 2 or 3 days if you got Prime. And you know, it saves you some money in the long run. If you are a light bleeder, this would be the product for you because it'll hold it. You know what I'm saying? So I would go ahead, purchase it, try it. Again, you will purchase this off of Amazon. They do have a social media page if you want to go on a social media page and check it out. You can look at other reviews, you know, try it. Let me know what you all think about this. If you would try it, if you wouldn't, if you won't, tell me why. I'm curious to know. Again, it is messy. I was very skeptical about this when I first heard that it was a reusable pad, but you know, it does its job. Again, I got several of them. So I think I got 6 because I have one upstairs. So yeah, it has to be 6. But yeah, these are the pads. HighOn. Again, get into it. HighOn. Try it. Let me know what y'all think. If you want to follow me on my social media pages, the name is Mekia504 on Instagram, Mekia504 on Snapchat. Mekia is spelled M-E-K-I-A because I'm unique and I'm beautiful. I will see y'all on my next video. I hope y'all have a wonderful week, wonderful weekend. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.